the key for me is helping people understand how to use juice and fasting, especially if somebody listening is new to intermittent fasting and they're not exactly sure how to begin. Juice is such a huge asset. I kind of call it like the magic bullet for your toolkit because, high quality vegetable juice can extend your fast a little bit and get you used to this idea of maybe not having 3 meals in such a long spread out window, but kind of compressing that together. And that's really the way that I started doing it a long ago under Natalia Rose's, sort of like a juice until dinner. So I have sort of in my daily routine, I have juice around 10 and generally a juice around noon. And then I break my fast around 2 so I can extend that fasting period because my body is completely nourished with, lots of organic produce and I have lots of energy and I feel amazing.
I love that. So let's talk about like 2 things. One, what would be a great window for someone if let's say somebody wanted to do, a lot of our listeners, they've kind of reported back that they do a 6-hour window. And I think it's because I do a 6-hour window and I'm so big on, I've said it before that for when I do an 8-hour window, I'm not losing any weight. So for me, 6 hours is really the amount of time that I need to be eating in. So would you say, like, what would be a typical thing? Like maybe they would have at 12 o'clock, have their juice, and then maybe at 5:30 eat dinner, or what would be some nice combinations?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, if let's assume you order our 1-day guided fast, it comes right to your doorstep with a cooler bag. It'll have 6 juices. For many people who are new to this work, doing a complete 24 hours of fasting would be too much. That's the design of the program and something that I love everybody to work up to, meaning you would just have the 6 juices throughout the day, sleep through the night, and then break your fast the next morning at say 10 or 11 a.m. because that's a long period of digestive rest. And again, you're flooding your body with 20 to 24 pounds of organic plants. However, for many people who are new to this work or new to doing a little longer fast, maybe 24 hours is a super long for somebody new. What I recommend that they do is they have 3 juices one day and then a great plant-based dinner, and then 3 juices the next day and a great plant-based dinner. I've even had people that begin at a kind of an even slower pace, which is 2 juices, a plant-based snack and a great dinner, 2 juices, a plant-based snack and a great dinner. And then on day 3, 2 juices, a plant-based snack and a great dinner. So you could do it all in one day, which is the design of the program, or break it into 2 days or break it into 3 days.